Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi WordPress theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're going to be using a plugin. It's called Divi Enhancer. It's a free plugin, does have some pro features as well. And we're going to build these great looking pricing boxes with it. They're available in the free version. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do, as usual, is build everything on the front end and enable the visual builder. If you're building any sort of WordPress theme at all, I do suggest you take a look at Divi. It's just absolutely awesome. It's got so many features and is so easy to work with. But I do suggest you take a look at it, and if you want to take it for a test drive, you can do so from my affiliate link below this video. Okay, so I've enabled the visual builder here on Divi, and here's our section. I'm just going to get rid of it and we'll start from scratch. So I'm going to come down here. I'm going to hit the little blue plus button for a new section. I'm going to make it a regular section. And it's prompted me, asking me how many rows I want or how many columns I want. I want 3. Now here, the grey ones are all the included Divi modules, and these red ones here are the ones you get with Divi Enhancer. Some of these are only available in the pro version, and if you click on them and try and put them somewhere, they'll tell you that. But the price box today is part of the free version, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on that. And as you can see right away, it's put something in there for us. It makes it very easy indeed. Now I'm going to duplicate that. I'm just going to hit that checkbox. I'm going to duplicate it. The reason why I'm going to duplicate it, and it's put one underneath there, so I'm going to just drag one across. Doesn't matter which one because they're both the same. The reason I'm doing this because I'm just going to use it for reference. That way I know that's H4 text. I know this is H2 text, H3, H6, etc. So when it comes to decorating, we've got a reference there. Okay, so we've got our thing here. Now let's go ahead and hit the cog and start making it our own. So here's the title. I'm going to call mine Bronze Package. And I'm going to add an icon to it. You don't have to, but it's a nice little option. These are all built in with the Divi theme also, the Elegant Themes icons here. I'm just going to put a little checkbox there. That's fine. And intro text, price box intro, that's right here. I don't even know what I'm selling here, so I'm just going to put in some random stuff. Price, let's start at $49.99. And of course, if you're using a different currency, you can put your currency symbol in there. Dollars is fine for this. Price box subtitle. Price description. Obviously, you're going to want to put in what you want. And of course, if you leave that blank, there's going to be nothing there, so you can do that as well. I did find while filling in these fields here, let's put it on the regular visual box here. Just type in what we want. I've just got some text in a little box over here. And you see that's changed back when I've done that. So what I'll do is I'll just copy everything from my little text pad here. And directly paste it in there. Just click on that, left click. Looks like I got a spelling mistake there. Just hitting Control C to copy and Control V to paste. There we go. That's fine. Let's go back over to our panel here. Featured box. Featured box, if you want a featured box, if you turn this to yes, it'll just make it slightly bigger. So you can have one slightly bigger than the others if you want to emphasize it. I'm going to leave that as is. Price box link, that's right here. Here you put the URL of where you want to link it, whether it's a product or an online sales page or wherever you want to take your customer. Price box text is go to service. Let's say there we go. Text color, I'm going to leave that as white. Background color, I'm going to make it a sort of bronzy color. So we want a little bit darker than that. I don't know, something like that. Now let's go to our design tab and price box header. We'll make that same color. It's fine. Price box price, which is this section right here. Again, we'll just make it similar color, but perhaps a little bit darker. That's fine. Now the text. It's already aligned to the middle. You can align it left if you want to. That's fine, but I think I'll leave mine in the middle there. Do we want to make it bold, perhaps? Or semi-bold? Let's have a look. Yeah, that's okay. Let's leave it like that. Now, I left this here for reference, so we know this is H4. So I want to centralize that text. So if we go close up our text box, go to our heading text, hit H4, put it in the middle. That's fine. Next one's H5. I want it to be white. It looks like it's grey at the moment. I don't think I want to do anything else with it. That's better. That's fine. Our price here is H2. So let's H2. Color's fine. I'm going to give it a little bit of drop shadow or text shadow. There you go, something like that. This one's H3. Let's make that a slightly different color. So let's go to H3. Say yellow. This one's H6. Again, it looks a bit grey. I'm going to make mine white so it stands out a little bit better. It's fine. So that's all taken care of. That we can leave as is. That's taken care of too. So the only other thing I want to do is perhaps give the whole thing a little bit of box shadow. And as usual, this is perfectly subjective. You're going to want to do what you want to do. There, so that was pretty easy. Let's just click the save button. Now I can delete this one because all I'm going to do is copy this one across twice. So let's delete that one with a little trash can icon. Copy this one with the two little squares. I'm going to copy it twice. Drag it across, put it where you want it. Similar with the next one. Okay, let's just copy this. For some reason it didn't copy that text there. So I'm just going to copy and paste it in. And let's get them all the same height. There we go. Now let's decorate this one slightly different. Click on the cog. And we're going to call this the silver package. What it is, I don't know, but it's going to be $69.99. Icon will leave the same. Just change that. No point you watching me go through all this again. I'm just going to quickly change a few things. Let's go to the design. Change the header color. Make it a sort of silvery grey thing. One below it. Same. Perhaps a little darker grey. And let's go back to the content and change the button. Price box link. Background color. There we go. Now we'll quickly do this other one. We'll call this gold. Everything's going to stay the same there. I just want to change the price box color at the bottom while we're in this particular section. And we'll sort of make it a slightly different sort of yellow color, I suppose. There we go, that'll do fine. Don't want to spend much time on it. Let's just move this over so we can see what we're doing and change the colors on the other two. I guess we better change the price as well. Do that in a second. Something like that, and let's change that price in the main settings to $89.99. How's that? There we go. Job done. Let's hit the purple button. Save our changes. Exit the visual builder. Scroll on down and see what we've got. There we go. We got a nice little price box section there, and that took about 10 minutes. Like I say, that's the Divi Enhancer plugin. You can try it out from a link below the video here. It is free. There are some pro features. We've built this with the free features though, so it's free to use. Check it out. So I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're interested in web development, take a look down below. We've got some great free courses down there, as well as some premium courses with some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers. So do check it out. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.